It really is an amazing feeling to know that what I'm doing outside of school is impacting my students at school. So my name's Tracy Hewitt. I am a third grade teacher at IC Imagine, which is a charter school in Asheville, North Carolina. And I am a graduate student at Western Carolina University, receiving a Master's of Arts in Education with a focus on STEM and elementary education. So I'm lucky in the fact that I've always known I wanted to be a teacher since I was a little kid, but as I got older and started going to high school and college, I realized that it's just the perfect profession for me. I decided to go back to school just to better myself as a teacher. I had been teaching for about 3.5 years at that point, and I was growing a lot in the classroom, but I knew that there could be another layer to it. And then I found the STEM program at Western Carolina University, and I felt that it was a great program for me because actually before I started this program, I didn't consider myself a math or science person. Like STEM wasn't a huge focus, so I kind of saw it as a gap in my teaching skills, and I decided to start the program in order to fill in that gap. But really, it's been amazing the transformation I've made as a teacher. I went from someone who was like, yeah, I'll try doing like a hands-on activity every now and again, to someone who's like, okay, what's the next one we're gonna do? Like next week we're gonna start doing landform dioramas now, and it just goes on, and it's been really amazing. Some important aspects of STEM are that the activities are hands-on and they relate to the student's real world. So for example, today we're building Mars rovers in class, and we're using a measurement standard to make those rovers the right size. And I could just have students like use a ruler and measure random things on their desk, or I could have them measure on a worksheet. But by building the rovers and actually seeing, okay, if I don't measure it correctly, I'm not going to be able to fit the wheel and axles on, and it won't move. And that is really helping them see why measuring accurately is important, and not just how to do it, but the why behind it. And they're really able to gain those skills that they need. The difference is just so apparent in how I'm able to implement STEM activities, and then it goes beyond that too. I've taken classes on assessment, diversity, leadership, so it really has a ripple effect in my whole career, and it's really been incredible. It really can be hard to get started with STEM. You need materials, you need a framework, but this program has really provided that support for me, and now I feel after I graduate, I'm just gonna be able to keep doing that because I have the momentum going, and because I know how easy and fun it is for myself as a teacher, and especially for my students.